gentlemen, and welcome to our show tonight. Our guest will be our king, Nebuchadnezzar, and three amazing guests, the flying subjects, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Now let's hear it for our host, David Numberman.
Tonight, we have a great show for you, perhaps one of our best. So everyone please give a hand for our king, Nebuchadnezzar. Welcome, O King. Thank you for joining us tonight.
My pleasure. The firework.
Hold on, King. We'll get to the story soon. But first, let's welcome our other guests. Everyone, please give a hand for Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Great. Let's see now. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Wonderful. All of our guests are here. So my first question goes to our king. How did this whole amazing event get started?
It started about 3 weeks ago. I got this ghost statue. It was about 9 feet high and 9 feet wide.
You said 90 feet tall? Wow, that's tall. Oh, sorry. Go on.
Yes. Then I told everyone whenever you hear horn, flutes, and are playing together, you must bow down and worship this statue.
Shadrach, what happened next? Is that true, King?
Yes, I made this furnace 7 times higher.
Wow, 7 times higher. If it was that high, you couldn't even open the furnace door and I'll be burnt to a crisp. Right, Meshach?
Yes. In fact, the servants who threw us in there burned up and died.
Get out of town. So what happened to the three of you, Abednego?
First, they tried to stop the bullets into the fire, but we were not scared because God was with us.
So what did you see, King?
I saw amazing things. There were 3 people going to, there was 4.
4? You said 4? How could that be when there are only 3 men going to the fire? Shadrach?
We were not alone, as Abednego said. Our God was truly with us because of our obedience.
What do you mean because of your obedience?
We will worship God and we want to worship Him.
But you didn't die. Did you, Meshach?
Of course not.
So what happened next, Abednego?
The next thing we heard was the king calling us to come out.
So what did you do, King?
I made a new law for us against true God, even we get killed of God.
Well, we're all out of time for tonight. I truly want to thank our guests for this amazing story. So remember the number 1. It is an important number because as we found out tonight, there is only one true God and we must worship only Him.
And that includes our show tonight. Be sure to join us again for the David Numberman Show. Good night.